Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make PDF in Chromebook. There are two ways you can do this. The first option is you could select files, and then from there you can tap on downloads and you can select the file that you would like to convert to a PDF. And you can select whether it is JPEG or JPG, whichever format you would like to change to PDF. So let's say, for example, I would like to change this JPEG image right here. You could select the image. After you have done that, you're going to right click, and then from there you can tap right where you see open with and you can select gallery. After selecting gallery, all you'll need to do now is tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then from there you're going to select print. After selecting print, it will automatically be converted to a PDF. You can also change the layout if you want. So we could change it to landscape and you could see how it looks, and you could edit the size, so you could set it at custom and you can enter in a custom size. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on save. Then you'll tap on save once more. You can edit the name. So let's say, for example, I will remove the JPEG section right there. I'm just going to leave it as this. Then I'll tap on save. Once it has been saved, you can close out, so I'll tap on the X. And if I were to tap on my files once more in the top left hand corner, then select downloads, you're going to automatically see the PDF that we have created. You can see it right here. So I can open it, and you'll realize that it has now been saved as a PDF. Here it is. Another option that you could also do is you could open Google Chrome. Once you have opened Google Chrome, you could go onto Docs. So you could go onto Google Docs. Once on Google Docs, from there, if you would like to save a document as a PDF, or you could drag and place an image and you could save the image also as a PDF. So all you need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, select File, then from there you will hover over Download and you will see PDF document, and you can download it as a PDF document, and you can see that it has been downloaded right there. So that's how you'll be able to make a PDF on your Chromebook. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.